So here's my plan. We have a cold water hose running off of this, and I want to have 2 cold water hoses running off of this. So I've purchased this Y. This will fit on here. Then I can operate this hose from this shutoff valve and this hose from this shutoff valve. And of course, they're all operated by whether or not this is on or off. Here I have a PVC pipe that runs all the way down through the ground and out to the river down there. And what I want to do is have water on the dock. So I've purchased this 90-degree connector. I'm going to put this on here so that I can connect this PVC pipe into here like so. Next thing I'm going to do is glue this 90 onto this piece here. I am going to put it, so I see all this information that you can read right here? Instead of putting it on this way where I won't be able to read that information without struggling against this wall, I'm going to put it on this direction so I can always see, okay, this is a 1-inch pipe, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So this is what I'm going to be using. This is purple, and this lets inspectors know that this piece has been primed and glued. And then this is the cement, and we have to use both of them in conjunction with each other. This thing was so tight when I first got it. I just used a pair of pliers to open it up. And here's the other one. I'm going to go ahead and get that off as well. The primer, it's really liquidy, and so you got to be careful when you're using it. Just make sure to get off all the excess, or it'll make a mess. Which reminds me, let me just put something down on the ground so I don't mess up my tile. And you're going to prime the outside of this piece and the inside of this piece. And just go around and around and around multiple times. I've read it's like 30 times, but I don't really know because I'm not an expert, but I think I can get the job done. I can sort of feel the difference in the pipe too. I think it just kind of really preps it for the glue. That looks good. And I'm going to do the same for this pipe. You want to make sure that when you come down, it's past the point of where the pipe is going to cover, because you just need to be able to see it. So everyone knows it's been glued. It's looking good. I think that's enough. And now we're going to put on our glue. Same thing. You want to kind of wipe off the excess here. Easy. And then do the same thing to both pieces again. Just wipe it around. And then do the same for this piece. It's looking good. Girls, you can paint your fingernails. You can do this too. Why do I like the smell of these chemicals? I'm a weirdo. And then you just put it on, pushing it all the way in, rotating, 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 so they really firm up and marry each other. And then make sure you get your angle right the way you want it, and then hold it there just so it doesn't back out. Applying a little bit of pressure here, just holding it. It's real nice. See, and that's already glued. This stuff is strong. Okay, I'm going to let that do its job, and I'm going to move on to the next piece. Wiping off the edges of this. I'm only going to hold it over my plastic so I don't drip everywhere. It's real simple to do this. It's just in a very important step. You can't just stick these together and not make them watertight and firm. So that's been done. I'm going to do the inside of the female end. Just going round and round and round. Making sure to get every part of that inside pipe. It's looking good. It's feeling good. And now I'm going to add the cement or the glue. Same thing, I'm going to go round and round and round. And put some on the inside. Alright, it's time to marry these up. Put it in and then twist and twist and twist until I can't twist anymore. And then I'm just going to hold it there. Beautiful. It's already tight. Yay. The next piece is this. It's going to go in here, and it's been reduced now to a 1/2 inch PVC. And I don't want to see the lettering, so when I put it in, I'm going to put it in that way just so it's white. What I'm using here for my hose is a washing machine connector. You don't need to use a washing machine connector. You can use a hose. You can use whatever you want. So you might have a different way of doing it, but this is what's going to work for me. And this will connect into here. I'm going to go ahead and take this off and connect my adapter here. It's hard to do it and film at the same time, but if there's a will, there's a way. Okay, so now you can see how much hose I have here. And I only need to go right here. So clearly I only need a teeny tiny piece of this connecting pipe. But I'm just going to cut off a little tiny part of it. I imagine I need about 2 inches. That's what I'm going to cut. Perfect. That's exactly what I need. We're going to put it right in here. Voila. Perfect. And then this one is going to go on here, and that will allow us to connect our hose here, and we'll be done with this end of the project. It's already dry. Oh, I have a bee floating around me here. It's alright. I'm not going to bother you. You don't bother me. Stay away, bee. Okay, that's all we need there. And then let's get our glue. And let's put these on. Oh, see how that's trying to push away? So I'm going to push it in and keep it there so it won't pop out. Nice. So I'm letting go now and it's not pushing away. So that's a yay. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Now we can do the connection. Just take this hose right here. Make sure this is all the way in. And it is, and that doesn't get glued because that'll be able to unscrew whenever we need it. And then hose will be screwed on right here. Now, we should have water down to the dock. Of course, I'm going to have to connect a hose down there as well. But there is our system. How about that? I can also control this valve on and off. And having it in that direction means it's flowing through. But if I go, wah, then that means the water's cut off. If you open it up in the same line, then the water will flow down to the dock. All right, I'm going to do a test, but not until this dries a bit. Bing! Well, we've waited a significant amount of time, so I am now going to turn it on, leaving this hose off and turning this one on. And I have a little dripping right here. Let's turn this on and see what we've got. Look at that. No leaking. Oh, fantastic. Let's go down and see if we got water coming down the hill. Run, Kelly, run. Oh, I hear something. I think we've got water. We've got water. Oh, looky. Yes, sir. We got it. Look at that. Awesome. So I have a connector for this end, and then we can put a hose here, and then we can get water down to the boat. Yay! Woo! I'm so excited. Yes. You can do it too. Let's turn it off. Done. So now nothing's going through. I just have to figure out this leak. And you know what? That's not coming from what I did. This is what's leaking. Well, I'll figure that out too. No worries. Meanwhile, I'm doing that while sitting on the stairs and leaning across because I don't want to step in there. I killed a copperhead the other day in there. He hikes right at my feet. I got ants on me too. Goodness. All right, so once that dries, see how it's dripping from my test? So I don't want to glue on my next piece till that dries. No snakes in the vicinity. Okay, good. Ta-da! No trash at the river. No trash. Now I'm just going to test the adapter part to make sure that it's the right size. And it is. Okay, good. So once I glue that on, easy peasy, as we've learned already. Come on, leaves. Then I've already got my brass fitting, and I'll be able to hook my hose right to that. Whoop, whoop. Let's just let this thing dry out and drain so I can put on my other parts. I realize this is still dripping, but it'll be okay because I'm not trying to get on the inside of it. I'm doing on the outside. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the glue on the inside of this and this. I hope this dripping pipe is not going to matter. That would be my hope. And here we go. I'm just going to hold it here for about 30 seconds and let it bond. And that feels tight. And now you can see the water's running out where it should, right there. I'm going to put the hose on and I'll be good. It's not even leaking out of my connection. This is our new hose. Now let's hook this baby up.
Hey, it works. This is so cool. I can use it on the boat now.